Henry McCarty, a.k.a. Billy the Kid. Lincoln, New Mexico. Newsmen voted its main drag the most dangerous street in America. Lawrence Murphy and partner James Dolan, by diligent pursuit of robbery under law, they dominated the county's mercantile trade and its legal machinery. Under Sheriff William Brady, deputized gone bad Texas Rangers to bring in persons dead. William L. Reinerson, county attorney, member of the nefarious land-grabbing Santa Fe Ring, Murphy Dolan's friend at court. Englishman John H. Tunstall, young, ambitious, with the means to challenge Murphy Dolan on their own ground. Lawyer Alexander McSween, Murphy Dolan business rival and Tunstall partner. Patrick Floyd Garrett, bartender, bootlegger. Garrett decided to make a name for himself in Lincoln County. Years later, he would be shot in the back while taking a piss. Governor Lew Wallace, author of Ben-Hur. He was a better man than anything he wrote, but his attempts at amnesty between the parties failed to stop the war. McCarty, already a work of fiction, was the kid shot to death? Or did a handy corpse appear to take his place at the unknown gravesite?